Welcome to this comprehensive guide on installing Windows 11 on your PC. Today, we'll explore essential methods for managing your system, including using restore points, the Windows Reset feature, and creating a bootable USB drive. These techniques are crucial for troubleshooting issues, performing a clean reinstallation, or simply ensuring your system runs smoothly and safely. These techniques are crucial for troubleshooting issues, performing a clean reinstallation, or simply ensuring your system runs smoothly and safely. Understanding these tools can save you significant time and effort when facing common PC problems. A restore point acts as a snapshot of your system files and settings at a specific moment. It's an invaluable tool for reverting recent changes without affecting your personal data. This means you can undo system modifications that might have caused instability, all while keeping your documents, photos, and other personal files completely safe. Unlike a full reset, a restore point specifically reverts system settings and may remove recently installed programs, but it meticulously preserves your personal files and applications. This makes it an ideal first step for troubleshooting minor software conflicts or driver issues without the drastic measure of a full system reinstallation. To create one, simply search for Create a Restore Point in the Start menu. Navigate to the System Protection tab, and then click Create to generate a new restore point immediately. It's a good practice to create a restore point before installing new software or making significant system changes, providing a safety net if anything goes wrong. If system issues arise, you can easily use a restore point by searching for System Restore. Select a suitable point from the list and follow the on-screen wizard to complete the process. The system will then revert to the chosen state, potentially resolving your issues without data loss. Windows Reset offers a powerful way to reinstall Windows, giving you the choice to either keep or remove your personal files. This feature is particularly useful for resolving more persistent system problems that restore points cannot fix, or for preparing your PC for a fresh start. The Keep My Files option reinstalls Windows while preserving your personal data and most applications, primarily removing problematic settings for a quicker fix. This is an excellent choice if you're experiencing performance issues or system instability, but want to avoid the hassle of backing up and restoring all your personal documents. Conversely, Remove Everything performs a complete wipe of all files, applications, and settings, providing a fresh start akin to a clean installation. This option is ideal when you want to sell your PC, give it away, or if you're dealing with severe malware infections or system corruption that requires a complete overhaul. To begin, go to Settings, then Update and Security, and finally Recovery. Under Reset This PC, click Get Started. This will initiate the Windows Reset process, guiding you through the initial choices for your reinstallation. Choose Keep My Files to retain your data, or Remove Everything for a full system wipe. Follow the subsequent prompts to restart your PC and finalize the reset. The system will then proceed with the reinstallation based on your selection, which may take some time depending on your PC specifications. The Keep My Files option is generally faster and safer for addressing minor system issues, offering a less disruptive solution. It allows you to quickly get back to a stable operating environment without the extensive setup required after a full wipe. For a complete reinstallation, especially if your Windows system won't boot, creating a bootable USB drive from Microsoft's official site is essential. This method provides a reliable way to install a fresh copy of Windows 11, even when your existing operating system is inaccessible. This process involves downloading the official Windows 11 ISO and utilizing the Media Creation tool to prepare a USB installer. The Media Creation tool ensures that the USB drive is correctly formatted and contains all the necessary files for a successful Windows 11 installation. Visit microsoft.com/software-download/Windows 11 and select Download Now under Create Windows 11 Installation Media. This will download the official tool directly from Microsoft, ensuring you have a legitimate and up-to-date installation source. Run the downloaded tool. Choose USB flash drive as your media type, ensuring you have a blank USB drive with at least 8 GB of space. It's crucial to use a blank drive as the tool will format it, erasing any existing data. The tool will then download the necessary files and format your selected USB drive, preparing it for installation. This process can take some time, depending on your internet speed and the performance of your USB drive. To use it, insert the USB into your PC, enter the BIOS or UEFI settings, typically by pressing F2 or delete during startup, and set the USB as the primary boot priority. This step is vital to ensure your computer starts from the USB drive instead of its internal hard drive. After booting from the USB, simply follow the on-screen instructions to install Windows 11, selecting your language and preferences. The installation wizard will guide you through partitioning your drive and setting up your new operating system. That concludes our comprehensive guide on utilizing restore points, performing a Windows reset, and creating a bootable USB for Windows 11. We've covered the essential steps and considerations for each method, empowering you to manage your system effectively. Choose the method that best suits your needs. Restore points for quick fixes, Windows reset for deeper system cleans, or a bootable USB for full installations. Each tool serves a distinct purpose in maintaining the health and performance of your Windows 11 PC. For any further questions or detailed assistance, remember to consult Microsoft's official support resources. They offer extensive documentation and troubleshooting guides to help you with any specific issues you might encounter.